Colon screening is serious business, but prepping doesn't have to be. Welcome to Happy Colon Foods. In this short video, we'll give you an overview of what the Happy Colon Foods kit is all about and how you can use it with your patients every day. The Happy Colon Foods kit with laxatives contains everything a patient needs to get ready for a colonoscopy. Each kit has 3 meals, 3 snacks, 2 laxatives, and drink mixes to flavor the water mixed with the powdered laxative. The instruction booklet contains tips and FAQs and has a step-by-step schedule to guide patients through their prep day. While prepping, patients eat approximately every 2 hours and each time take a Senna tablet and drink 20 ounces of water mixed with a full cap of the easy-to-go powdered laxative, which is tasteless and dissolves completely. The unique dosing schedule allows Happy Colon Foods to minimize and often eliminate unwanted side effects like bloating, cramping, nausea, and vomiting. Patients eat maple-flavored oatmeal for breakfast, macaroni and cheese for lunch, and have vegetable bouillon for dinner. The morning snack is a shortbread cookie, followed by barbecue pop chips in the afternoon, and a chocolate chip cookie before bed. We also include colorless, sugar-free drink mixes to flavor the water throughout the day. The specific foods and portions were assembled by a practicing gastroenterologist with over 25 years' experience. The kit is formulated with electrolyte levels similar to Go Lightly and has been used extensively and successfully with cardiac, renal, and diabetic patients without causing electrolyte or blood sugar imbalances. Our ordering process is designed to make your life easy. Each office has a customized instruction sheet which we created in partnership with your practice. You can complete the form on your computer or print and fill in the blanks by hand. Simply give the completed form to the patient and you're finished. Patients then go to our website or call us to order their kits. Insurance coverage varies, but the most anyone will pay is $45. Which is typically lower out-of-pocket costs than prescription preps, which are covered by insurance. Kits ship from Oklahoma and arrive in the Kansas City area in 2 to 3 business days. To further support you, we have 24/7 phone support for all prep-related questions and send text messages to remind patients when to start, as well as to congratulate them for taking care of their health after the procedure is completed. Copies of this reference card are available at your office, and we can send more if needed. Just let us know. Please reach out to us anytime with questions or suggestions. We welcome your thoughts and are always looking for ways to improve our product and service. Welcome to the movement, and we look forward to working with you.